Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share a tutorial how to add members or remove members on a group chat on a Google Chat application. So first thing we have to do is just go open the Google Chat application, and this is the look of the Google Chat. And now let's go into the group chat by go click this section, and here you just need to find the the group chat that you have here. And after that, to add the members, you just need to go click a add people. Okay, and after that you just need to go at the email address of your friends that you want to have. Okay, for example this one, and then just go click checked. Okay, and now you just need to wait until there's people like accepting your invitations. Okay, so for the next, how to remove members from the group chat, you just need to go manage members, and after that go click someone that you want to remove from the group chat, and after that go click these three small dots and go click remove from space. And now you already remove one member from your group chat in the Google Chat. So that's all for today's tutorial, guys. If you find out this tutorial is quite useful for you, don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel.